Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. In our last episode, we introduced Protista and its features. Today, we begin its classification. Protists are diverse, so scientists group them based on their nutrition and movement. In this part, we'll focus on the algal-like protists, Chrysophytes, Dinoflagellates, and Euglenoids. Let's start with the Chrysophytes, which include golden algae and diatoms. Golden algae, also called dimids, are mostly found in freshwater, especially stagnant water. Diatoms, on the other hand, occur in both marine and freshwater habitats and are among the most important producers in aquatic ecosystems. A key feature of diatoms is that their cell wall is made of silica and forms two overlapping halves called frustules. Over time, these accumulate to form diatomaceous earth, which has many industrial uses. Now let's look at dinoflagellates. These are mostly marine organisms, although some live in freshwater. Their cell wall is made of cellulose plates, giving them a unique armored appearance. They move with the help of two flagella, one runs longitudinally and the other transversely, producing a spinning motion. Dinoflagellates can appear in different colors such as yellow, green, brown, or red, depending on their pigments. A striking phenomenon caused by some red-colored species like Gonialax is the formation of red tides, which can be harmful to marine life. Next, we have euglenoids. These are mostly found in freshwater, especially stagnant water bodies. Unlike other protists, they do not have a rigid cell wall. Instead, they have a flexible pellicle, which helps them change shape. Euglenoids show a unique dual mode of nutrition. In the presence of sunlight they act as autotrophs, performing photosynthesis, while in the dark they can behave like heterotrophs, absorbing nutrients. They move with the help of a flagellum, and a common example you should remember is Euglena. Let's quickly compare the three major plant-like protists. Chrysophytes like diatoms have silica shells and contribute to diatomaceous earth. Dinoflagellates are mostly marine, often bioluminescent, and sometimes cause red tides. Euglenoids, like Euglena, are unique because they can photosynthesize in sunlight but switch to heterotrophy when light is absent. This comparison helps us clearly separate their habitats, nutrition, and structural features. Let's do a quick recap before we move on. Chrysophytes like diatoms form beautiful silica shells and are the chief producers in aquatic ecosystems. Dinoflagellates, with two flagella, can glow in the dark seas and sometimes cause harmful red tides. Euglenoids are the flexible protists, switching between photosynthesis and heterotrophy. Together, these plant-like protists are vital contributors to aquatic food chains and oxygen balance. Here is your challenge question for today. Which of the following protists can behave as both autotrophs and heterotrophs? Is it A, diatoms, B, dinoflagellates, C, euglenoids, or D, desmids? Think carefully and drop your answer in the comments below or send it to us on WhatsApp or Telegram. That's it for today's episode on the classification of Protista. In the next part, which will be the continuation of this episode, we'll cover slime molds and protozoans, simple but very interesting organisms. Don't forget to check our daily MCQs and PYQs playlist to practice for NEET Biology. New podcast every day at 7 p.m., so make sure to subscribe, like, and share Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. See you in the next episode.